GoTo Resolve has quickly become a popular tool for remote teams, aiming to reduce downtime and keep operations running smoothly. But does it really live up to its promise? Today, we're diving into how GoTo Resolve works, comparing it to other options, and providing you with an exclusive opportunity that could be a better fit for your team's needs. First, let's talk about its core promise: reducing downtime for remote teams. GoTo Resolve is built to help support teams quickly identify and resolve technical issues. One of its standout features is remote desktop support, which allows technicians to access devices anywhere, eliminating the need for a technician to be physically present. This can save significant time, especially in urgent situations. But is it fast enough for critical situations? Some users report that the performance can be inconsistent at times, especially when handling high-demand tasks across different devices. Next thing, let's look at how GoTo Resolve's ease of use impacts downtime. The interface is relatively simple, allowing IT teams to get started quickly with minimal training. But while this ease of use may sound great, it also limits the depth of customization available to more advanced users who may need greater control over their support tools. If you need highly tailored troubleshooting workflows, this software may not offer enough flexibility. Other tools like TeamViewer or Zoho Assist have better customization for large teams with more complex needs. The third thing to consider is the pricing. GoTo Resolve is competitive when it comes to its pricing model, which is based on the number of endpoints supported. While that sounds great on paper, it might not be the best fit for every team. Companies with a fluctuating number of devices could find this pricing model frustrating. Comparatively, tools like AnyDesk offer flexible pricing that scales with usage, potentially saving you money in the long run. The fourth thing to mention is its integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve integrates well with other GoTo products, making it ideal for businesses already using their ecosystem. However, if you're using different software or have a variety of systems in place, GoTo Resolve's integrations can feel a bit restrictive. Solutions like ConnectWise Control offer more third-party integration options, providing more flexibility across various platforms. Now, let's talk about what sets GoTo Resolve apart: its AI-driven diagnostics. The AI feature aims to help troubleshoot by automatically suggesting solutions based on the issues detected. This is a great way to save time, but it's not foolproof. Sometimes the AI suggestions can be too general or not directly address the issue. If you're looking for a more precise approach, remote tools like LogMe and Rescue use more experienced technicians, which can lead to better and faster problem resolution. But here's the twist. As much as GoTo Resolve has its perks, there are some excellent alternatives that not only address the concerns mentioned, but also offer better overall solutions for remote teams. These alternatives go above and beyond in ways GoTo Resolve sometimes falls short of. At the end of the day, it's important to choose the right tool based on your unique needs, and I've got something special for you. If you're still set on GoTo Resolve, we've got an exclusive and extended free trial, plus some extra benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But if you're interested in other options that could provide better performance, integrations, or flexibility, I've also got those covered for you, with their own free trials and unique features that are better suited to your goal of reducing downtime. Check out the link in the description for the best free trials available to our viewers.